the Madrid betcha 1. It's a Madrid win over 2.5. Number the Bassa swatch 1. Bassa win over 2.5. At Kudi Minini and to make go both teams. When he says me turn under 1.5. Now young boys match no. Young boys could be a second half win.
And I am not Bonnie was I
love it.
Uncle.
Hey, was there to the Anna with me a canal like papa? Get a line into our house here, I won't say Nana. Bema, you for wise up.
You get some for the did the times again.
Did you hear? I get a young boys a first half win. My uncle the other Bundesliga no. Dortmund a handicap. And I say,
John Jebi.
They will be handicapped. No, we will not be that. Over there now. Hey, and maybe Messi was one or who was many huh? Hey, don't come close to me, please. Don't come close to you. Sorry, forget it.
Talk to her nice.
Hey, mammy, no, guess I'm young. It's some more than a salary. You have one. As soon as I catch you, Diane, oh, Jim, you are not many new just not make a job. The many yarum. Hey, see me. We need Jimmy for my own. Many yarum out just not make a job. Only with chemistry barriers are cannot life not do nothing. Nonsense. You might forget them.
Don't tell me. So
Jerry Moy, oh.
Can you please stop saying for me?
The man is showing money on Okasa.
What's the problem? What's happening? Charlie, don't. I'll talk to you. Charlie, no, Friday. I need to do why you do that. And also,
Guys, how can you must me lady in Chinese? Who shall be said in the water and be watching? Someone.
Make you know the man like that. What that? You if you need hey. In here can I buy me when I'm just can be no. I know be able to way to get.
One minute. Me ya dibia for ni hwe me. Oba so wan nye ni sa. Unya ne ho ntafre. Adwen
to the extent so wo bonus na.
Me nkas me ze na ehunu na. Me bona me mo na ma bono.
So the all the style worry girls in pound.
Money
cool down for
cool down. Oba from obejimi.
Charlie, women they like soft, you know.
Tina no take advantage of you. Tina wadwofo no. Me cast my ya. Oba jo ne tia. E say on bon one side tina be OPP be on be ma.
I understand you. So how long and how hard but no man say rush take your time for woman. You try man. You say yeah, see it down, what you see, why? If you are able to one side, you see it down. Yeah, brother. Yo, for one side, see. For say now, for say. Now, hey. You did hide and see. Yes, that's back name. For say, come out, pass it. One boy, spark the uncle Jack. Yeah, today, Munya say. Eh. Mutu 100 cities. Yo. Also, Charadio. Yeah, the milk come. China. Charlie. I know the whole. Try send me like some 200 just try and send the team for this one. This one, oh, if it's serious matter, I get there. I forgot the office more. Why? I wait there later.
okay.
Okay, okay.
I'm just saying now, say why you're slow. What is it?
Who do you have missing show cry? I say Cedric. Yes, you compare a jumebi. But initially Nippon catcher say Onji is Kabia so but then no. Ye duty they go inside no. Ni on se see it yes kakra. Next kana Nippon so kana. Na mo kakra ho but me use you. Miss Nim baby as you see me kunyes kadibi. I don't know my dream no. Ana so no say you oba me no wo nso de a main responsibility say was me ma obi. Ntina say ama me hu de wa me see musa but so we busam na say me see me nyo okay dey am sero. Ma me 1,005 na me found ko apply for adwuma no. This can be my back.
You remember in 1,005?
Oh, yeah, you may be. As office working.
No, office work, do you have to pay that money before?
Yeah.
No.
Say, Nipana only dear ya pay you mono. Only you chase is gonna mano. Cedric, China did that. Come
I wish then come to me about, but see 1,005 there, I'm not sure, so I will get it for you. I'm not sure. So don't want me time.
I said, you make an intimacy. It's can mean for.
But you might take a walk on that, and I'm so make sure I say, now, dear, I won't get that amount, so dear, my pay 2 weeks. Sorry.
1,005 na, me compared you my CCN. Me mount 2 weeks later.
But you won't be sure. I won't call for more than the maker, so I'll try and make 1 or 2 calls to be if. But to me, and my hopes and assurance. And say,
Sister, I'll bargain na. Sorry, P 2 weeks no saka no aba.
See.
Why? What do you tell me? And here before so. For bargain, you could fee. On saka 2 weeks no aba. Why? P.
And then she said that.
P.
Menko.
Enko. On saka 2 weeks.
Where be somebody me?
Akusia. En fakasa ntuetu maso. Misi P 2 weeks no saka no abada so P.
As only me.
Akusia P.
Babe.
P oh. Ha me kasa me munu me ya P.
Me dey jargon.
Hey, me pen kwasi asemu. Akusia, me pen kwasi asemoti work out P. Asem now P sorry. P.
Are you for real?
P.
Jesus Christ.
Akusia, what are going to media na saying?
Now we
me say
like
P 2 weeks no saka no asaba back that's all P.
I'm telling me they asked me like
Ana mi pie nyawo. Mi pie nyawo na.
What be some
mi pie nyawo.
Who dey see me?
We are ready and we. Yeah, Jim.
And I guy what did BB as China na. What be some there me say see
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. How are you too? Ah, nice one. Kuku, the job is next week, but I have a little problem. Yes. The money on me. It's not enough. I don't know. You see, I can't tell how long the workshop will last. And again, too, I don't know the expenses and all that. The little money I have on me, I'm sure it can only bring me in. I don't even know if it can bring me back home. Yeah, I have to pick 2 cars. Yes, the bus and then yeah. So I wish you can help me. If you can help me with. Hey, I'll be so grateful. Trust me, because that's the only way I can come. Okay, and then we go and see the apartment. Sure. So how many days will you be there for? Charlie, Kuku, I owe you one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, yeah, once I get it, I'll just, yeah, well, I'll buy the ticket. I'll go to the station and do that myself. Charlie, Kuku, thank you so much. Okay, yeah, so I'll see you on Monday. I'll leave the house by dawn. By 4:30 there. I should be up, so then by 5 I'm out. Yeah, so by 9 I should be there. Yeah. Charlie, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, sure. I'll see you.
Brother, welcome to my house. Please rise. Woo! Yeah, sure. Look at you.
Taxi there, you told me you would make 4,000 a month. This is by now you would do some apartments inside or something.
I'm a changed guy. I don't like to show off and all that. Okay. No, I love to live the low-key life and all that. So you don't worry. And I take you to where I wreck tomorrow. You understand?
Are you sure?
Of course. The place doesn't look like it.
By now I'm thinking maybe you be in like some plush apartment. You get by now you park some nice car around.
Some Benz, then BMWs.
But you're doing, you say what, you do low key.
You understand?
So what's tomorrow?
I'll take you to the serious. I mean, I don't like to show off. Change guy. You understand? Nice. What can I so baby? Who could do so? What could you? So who could you? What won't you mean frame me from me now? Cedric. Na school busa mi am farmer ni trama ne sanana.
Naya, my love is gone. I have to go and do work. Will you take me to the salon? Seriously?
Put that phone down. The cameras age are beautiful. Just put it down.
Of course, I'm beautiful. Chubby beauty.
Hey. Hello.
What's up?
No, I'm rethinking my life decisions now. She heard me, right?
Oh, okay. I put this one somewhere. I mean, I'm interested in this convo.
I feel it's high time I started focusing on my studies and in my career and leave everything behind because what at all am I gaining from this? I just don't get why I was so into men and all that.
Okay.
Why are you smiling?
No, you don't mean it,
serious
right?
here. I'm very serious. I've been thinking about it. I just don't know what go over me.
Naya. You're serious.
I need to take this bold step.
That's great. I mean, I'm so happy, thank God. Hey! Already there was way. Naya has a song. What's a son?
Don't let me change my mind.
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry. But you know, that's really good. Like, I'm so glad you're saying this right now. Oh, God. Cause, like, today, this man, tomorrow, Kwame, the next day, Kojo, it was that bad. That's what I keep telling you. It was very, very bad.
I'm born again.
Who advised you? Is it me?
Oh no.
Oh, the broken hearts.
Which really would me hurt? Please, I beg. I just decided this on my own.
I'm so happy for you, honestly. Like, you really mean it.
I'm happy for myself.
I'm so happy for you. Like, we need to, like,
You know, it's not going to be easy, but I'll just give it a try. I mean to do this.
I'm going to help you. Trust me. I'm going to help you. We need to toast.
You haven't been in help, so just be quiet.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I am sure.
We need to toast to this. If you really mean it. Cause like my sister wants to just focus about every man and concentrate on herself.
It's high time I stopped doing all that.
Since when?
Since today.
I'm so happy. Girl, let's go.
Go
We
where?
have to toast to this. I mean,
Please, let me rest. I'm still rethinking my life decisions. No, let me change my mind.
I don't even know what to say. I'm so surprised.
Only you. Auntie Connie perfect. Now, you have a code. Now, business go here. Yo, Flora, you good? You good? Yeah, my pop on about. Now I'm sugar, right? Well, please, wifey, but you back mark and wifey best or two, yeah. Baby, yo. I'm sorry. I love you. That's it. Yeah, business, you say. But it's the reality, but wow. Baby, she from Lamino.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, now it's it.
When you make a sissy, say, oh, you see, I know with you, Hannah.
Yeah, so she be now coming one side.
Yeah,
I read one sort of media with the phone team. She my one my coil I be a manatia came kakra. Scabeba, Mr. Udo, I'm Kakranya 1 2 be a barmason.
would you be a say, see me, they be a say, hey, obey money. Ah, my mouse car could see that baby.
Debut not as my kind if you must say moving.
And fed you must say more there, but at least baby, on supporting me, Obana me the amount, Obana the amount.
We won't do packets to Abramian. I say,
Yes, I say, my
man, Conula, this can
they monsieur. Ah, Uncle Kwana tea.
I'm not coming to some alive in my crime at Tiakim. I don't can see the escamus cabeba, but at Tiakim into Mamido, Miss Akanamasa or to go up in a kiba. We allow be na unko pay you man. You are inside on the five na ma miss kana no ko ja. Listen.
50.
Oh, now so like wow to me now. It's pa whole see come pay 50. Mami 2 million jack. Me sort you.
Oh.
Etunya 2 million mami. Etunya 2 million mami. O dey do say 50 the other man no me call. Why? Oh my mama.
O dey go be me dey jaisan. O dey me so o dey jiwe mami.
50 dey me dey.
Timi me promise o me pon be fia. Me dey aka be so.
Jack, me feel wo. And I'm stand there me see gangster no. You obi on say be impre as me giska. Ye won soja for ni ekọ America dada wo. Won na me cho.
Me then ka me feel wan ka me titiska ma sa. E ya jaisa. Damn, what's up with you?
Yeah, I'm here. Tell me I'm feel. What are they? I'm feel but on so team as here. Ma emre mi o ma men ka se mi cho. Haso na esi ani wo. E twa to sin antis. Ye de be giska na de agimatis. Relax abrabo na kakra be fa na me phone ska me modi ah
o de mati jai kasa
be e fa me ma me oku ska kakra na unsem na me kasa e fa on me bi ska so ati office ka ma be kam hey wanna me chon you bom si e bedum ya me ko bi na me hala why
o ko ni se yo
maji we ni ba ko ma Florent ya sort
enu so we ntia
o ya so we te 2 Ghana anti ko ni why fi be ma do why bro baby e ko
see
yo
2 cities when
oh 2 permanent do anti ko 5 minutes is on this hour yeah 2
we do be me hey
no the thing like if you tell me say be so we go be so the thing dey why just no tell me the honest truth make I understand say be so then I go prepare myself. You not tell me that you know
this it no be scam.
So it be what? If not be scam, they tell me say make I pay $1,000. You get $1,000. Like I know that understand. So how you they make the money? Bro. You they tell me say they make 4,000 a month. If they make 4,000 a month, then see the place they stay. I ask you. That be the first question I ask you. Say see the place they stay. You tell me say I be low-key guy. $1,000. You know be scam baby. I don't have to. So where I go find $1,000?
So you don't get $1,000.
I had to borrow money. I borrow money. I no fit get. Where I make the money for the way I take am. What you take me? If you know I take, I no get money. I go take go back. Say,
listen, bro. You go fit talk to your parents like your big brother.
What are you talking about? Oh. At the time you say me, I struggle to come here. You tell me say make I talk to my Charlie. I don't know.
Make them borrow you something, bro. You go make them.
No, try to find the money for me. Make I take go back because right now I'm stranded. I forgo. I forgo back.
See.
I forgo see safe.
See. It be simple something. Just find any ways and means. Get the $1,000.
You go blow taxi. As you they tell me say what. You know, just talk the truth. You be so then so.
Only you can make me feel this way, even when the sun is behind the clouds. Only you can make me feel this way. You make my whole world go round. Only you can make me feel this way, even when the sun is behind the clouds. Only you can make me feel this way. You make my whole world go. Can make me feel this way. You make my